Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Miss Vibrant Thing. Vibrant Thing. And as you can see, I look a hot mess because I just took my hair out because we're going to do a get ready with me. Today, this Saturday, is Halloween. And I would like to be Miss Velma from Scooby-Doo. So I'm going to hurry up, do something with this in a Velma vibe. I don't know what I want to do yet. I don't have time to wash my hair, so that's another problem. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll be right back. So to start my Velma vibe, I have this that I bought from Meshki. Go watch my other video, my first video on my personal channel. And I got this skirt. Where? Forever 21. Long time ago, got this, and it matches perfectly. And I was like, what? I already got that. But the part is the socks, because I ain't got that. All I got is this, which is too freaking bright. And then I got these, and it's just like, can I finesse or can I not? Who knows? So I don't know what I want to do, but next is the bathroom. To do something with my face, give me like simple little freckles. That's all she had, was like 3 dots under both her eyes. And I already wear glasses, so yeah. What to do? Well, like my new bath mats. Ooh. Let me switch around. Better lighting. I'm doing this on my phone today, not the GoPro. Just to see how much better it is. I need a selfie stick for this thing. I'm about to hurry up and do my hair. I got my products out. I still don't know what I want to do, but first of all, because I know y'all can't hear me after that, but first of all, just moisturize. Okay. So this is what I do. I put water, which everybody else does, I'm pretty sure. And I put my favorite conditioner in it. Leave-in conditioner. Don't come for me. This is how I do it. Especially when I'm rushing. Shake your body. Shake. Wish. Let's dry. Ooh. Good lip balm. Burt's Bees. Tinted. All right. y'all. Just to let y'all know I'm a little weird. A lot of silly. A lot of chill. And a lot of savage. We're going for Velma vibes, so. Yes, you see this girl's popping. Popping. Excuse me, sir. Someone's interrupting, maybe. It's fine, man. It's fine. Babe, where did you go? Oh, he's still there. He's still there.
We can
Is
just cut
everything
that.
good?
Everything's fine. Everything is awesome. What's up, rock stars?
What's up? These aren't the rock stars either. These the vibrant things. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Let's take the vibrant things. Vibrant. I think I did enough of that back pie. Woo! Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. My freaking camera stopped recording. Well, my phone stopped recording. Like I said, this is my first time doing it on my phone. So. But I did all this side. Also did a lot of retarded stuff that y'all didn't see. That's fine. Moving on. I'm almost done. And if you hear noise in the background, that is big. Again, after the fact, me noticing the camera stop.
Yeah, everything's fine now. Just got some choice.
Thanks for plugging my phone in.
You're welcome.
So like I said, I'm almost done. I'm trying to do Velma vibes, so I'm gonna do this part. I'm gonna give it a little bang and then a little pony, and that's gonna be what it is. My glasses are so wet right now. Ow. Ooh, curly hair problems. Okay, so the original plan did not work. I am just going to do like whatever I want because my arms are tired and I ain't got time for this. I'm not a hairstylist. I like my hair done. But I do what I can. Long as you try. Long as you try. I tried, and again, my camera was off, so I didn't get that recorded. But it looked retarded, so excuse me, let me stop saying that. Basically, I don't know what the freak I'm about to do or not, but I'm trying to pluck it because it's just black. It's your wrap it. Last but not least, I'm about to put on some baby hairs, lay some baby hairs down. Okay, so I did this one side and I need to do the other side because it doesn't match, so I had to rub it off. I'm gonna do it again and then I'll be done. All I can do is put my outfit on. Freckles. They were right under her glasses. Little cartoon. Not even a 10. Okay. You like no? No, yes. Yes, no. It is what it is. I think that's how good it's gonna get. So now I put my little outfit on and see how this little thing looks together. Ooh. It's the final look. It's the final look. Final look. The final look. Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? So I decided not to go with the thigh, legs, knee highs, you know, over the knee socks, because I couldn't find them in time. So this is my final look for Hallows Eve. Miss Velma, you know, stylish Miss Velma. They say I was giving Nala vibes too, but this is Velma. Scooby Doo. All right. Thanks for watching. I may be back because the place I'm going or not going, we will see. Stay tuned. Bye. Like, comment, subscribe. FOMO, 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 FOMO.